Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss about the salary structure for BIM modelers and additionally, is it a good professional? We'll talk about BIM profession. So let's start. Let's discuss what is BIM first of all. BIM, building information modeling, in a very normal term, if I'll say, BIM is kind of industry or field where we design, collaborate, and deliver the output whatsoever is required based on the project's requirements. Now, additionally, what kind of data we delivered with the help of BIM? It's kind of a geographical, non-geographical data we deliver in both the ways, parametric and non-parametric things we deliver in both the ways, physical forms of the elements and non-physical data as well we give and BIM parallelly. And most important thing is that collaboration platform. BIM is a very collaborative platform where if you are living in any corner of the world, you can connect with anybody at the live time, and you can collaborate whatsoever you have designed, you have just modeled. There are different cloud platforms like BIM 360, ACC. You can collaborate with the help of BIM. Now let's talk about the salary structure. Again, the highly important factor for salary, it's based on your location. Okay, there are different factors we'll discuss in this particular session only in upcoming slides as well. But the main thing, in which country you are living or in which area you are living. So right now, let's discuss based on the regions in which region you are. So if you are in North America, you'll be right there. Let's discuss the first column, the last column. Okay, so if you are living in North America, for example, and right there, the demand for BIM professionals are very high. Okay, so you'll be getting more exciting salaries comparatively if you are living in Asia. Okay, because in Asia right now you are having just growing market, not that much high demands, but you are in growing market. In Australia, if I'll talk about the stable market, but why you are getting paid? Because Australia again is a developed country, and Asia, if you are comparing with India and China like that way, it's a developing countries, right? So in India, if you'll compare, you'll get average 50,000 of salary as a BIM modeler. So that's highly important, that in which country you are living or in which region you're living. So based on that one, you'll get salary. Okay. Now, again, the factors that we just discussed, there are different factors as well. That is one more important factor, is that experience level. Now, in experience level as well, there are two parts of experience. The first one, the total number of years. How many years did you work for the same industry? For example, you worked for 15 years, 20 years, like that way. And the second point is that how much knowledge do you have about that particular field? Okay. So, for example, there are many cases where the 15 years experienced guy is having less knowledge comparatively 7 years of experienced guy, right? So it is based on your experience level. If I'll say, definitely the total number of years also influence your salary structure. So that is how, let's combine that one. So total years of experience level will affect your salary structure as well. Definitely the location, as we mentioned. And in fact, in a particular country, if you are living in India, for example, and you are living in Delhi, and if you compare your salary with, for example, a Rajasthan person who is working in, for example, in Jaipur city, so the salary gap may be rather based on the cities as well, because in urbanized cities you'll get more compensation based on the another guy who's living in kind of a lower class city, like that way. Okay. Now let's discuss about the career opportunities in BIM. Is it a good or bad? So let's discuss like that way. If you are a BIM professional, you are having different career opportunities. You can become a BIM manager, you can become BIM modeler, BIM coordinator, BIM technicians as well. And all the roles are having kind of some common roles and responsibilities. Parallelly, some advances and different skills required for different areas. So, for example, you had started your journey as a BIM technician, then you had become BIM modeler. Now you want to be BIM modeler only, your salary structure will be different. And now you want to grow as a BIM coordinator, your salary structure will be different. And now you want to become a BIM manager, then your salary structure will be at next level. That's how it will be distributed. Now let's discuss, is it a good profession or not? Again, let's discuss about positive sides of BIM, and we'll discuss the negative sides of as well. As we discussed, BIM is a growing market right now, so you'll be having demands, growing demands in BIM professionals. So probably you'll be having a stability of your job. That's again a positive thing about your profession, right? Because your market is growing as of now. Now, it's growing. That is why you'll get competitive salaries, because again you get the skills, you get more salaries like that way. Again, if there are high advancements in BIM, as we all know, it's growing and it's boosting like that way. So there are high advancements are going up in BIM side. If you'll get those kind of opportunities, is a very good platform for you. Now the challenges, as we just highlighted the first side, advancements in BIM. Uh, this will impact your profession in a negative way as well. As we all know right now, AI has introduced worldwide, so it'll have your bad impact in your BIM profession as well, where there are high chances in future as well that AI may take over the manual work that right now BIM models are doing, right? So this is kind of a challenge that may come in future. I'm not saying it'll be done in 100%, but it's a challenge right now. Now, there are a lot of challenges as well, like high expectations in BIM delivery as well, in terms of the deadlines, and BIM side of the field. In each and every projects, there are tight deadlines, right? So every time if you started your journey, it will be like that, deadline games. So that's the challenge as well, like for work-life balance as well. Now let's discuss about conclusion part. What do you think? How it is? What I think personally, BIM is a growing market. It's a good market, and it gives you promising career paths as well, and good salary structures as well. If you are from BIM background, I would highly suggest focus on that one. But again, I would leave the comment section open for your thoughts. You can comment whatsoever your opinions are on this particular topic. So thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.